today we're going to be doing some stretches. You can do these in a chair or standing, whatever works for you. We have 5 different movements we're going to do, starting off with reaching for your toes. So you're going to put one foot out, have your toe in the air, and reach as far down as you can for it. We're going to hold that for about 10 seconds. And we're going to switch and do the same thing to the other side. Next, we're going to do an ankle roll. So you can use the wall for support or your chair if you're using one. You're going to hold your ankle out, just roll in a circle. And going the opposite way. Now we're going to switch, doing the same thing with the other side. And bring one arm across. And switch. Relaxing our shoulders down, maybe some shoulder rolls.